Hello guys, this video is we are in Charleroi or Charlo Airport. So nag-stop kami dito and we look around. Of course, is starring myself. Ayan. Ang ganda ng airport nila. Ito yung paglabas pa lang. At yung nakikita nyong bus is yan ang sasakyan papunta sa city center ng Charleroi. It's only 10 minutes pag sumakay ng bus papunta sa city center. Ayan, sightseeing lang dito. Actually, we just spent time this place for like 2 hours before our flight back to Liverpool Airport. Too much to see. Ito yung ito yung parang mall nila. Sobrang ganda ng design ng ceiling. Actually, just spend much our time in this mall and a little bit time to see something outside the mall, just because it's only 2 hours, so we don't want to go farther. We just would like to spend and see how it looks like, the city center. So yeah, it's nice as always because it's near to the airport, so a lots of restaurant, bars, shops, but of course everything is inside that shopping mall. And we wish to have more time to spend this place, but 2 hours is not enough. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. Until my next video.